Having a good reputation is the ultimate requirement for a witness to be considered a credible one. That's why lawmakers and even PIDEA itself are crying foul over a testimony of a former agent against no less than the president at a House hearing, even though the said personality has a rather questionable record. Meralas Moras tells us more.
Several congressmen denounced the allegations of a former PIDEA agent implicating President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to illegal drugs. Last Tuesday, the issue was brought up in a Senate hearing by Jonathan Morales, a former government employee. For his part, House Committee on Dangerous Drugs Chair Robert Ace Barbers questioned the credibility and the background of Morales. He said, based on the reports he gathered, Morales was dismissed from police service and he tried to conceal this vital detail when he applied for work with the PIDEA. When he was finally working for the PIDEA, he found himself involved in other illegal activities. Because of this, Barbers also wondered why Morales was even allowed to testify in the Senate hearing. For other lawmakers, this may also just a part of a larger effort to discredit and destabilize the current administration.
Meron tayong presidente na napakasipag at mula nung umupo sa pwesto ay tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang pagtrabaho para may angat ng buhay ng ating mga kababayan. Pero merong iilan na talang patuloy na hindi napapagod rin na ibagsak pababa ang ating bansa. At sana hoy, pagmatsyag po ang ating mga kababayan, ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino, makita nila sino yung para sa ikabubuti natin at sino yung nag-iingay lang para sa mga pasarili ng interes.
For its part, PIDEA has denied the allegations against the president. That's why lawmakers reminded the public to be mindful of what they read, especially online.
Mismo yung ahensya na pong nagsasabi na hindi nga ito totoo. Bakit natin papaniwalaan ang mga taong dati nang may bahid sa kanilang history, may bahid na sa kanilang career? Diba? Bakit tayo maniniwala sa taong ganun? Para sa akin po napakadaling i-distinguish kung sino po nagsasabi rin ng totoo at sino nagsasabi ng kasinungalingan.
Meralas Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.